it means you can involve the TensorFlow inside the Docker, right? You can how to involve the TensorFlow inside Docker. Okay, I think okay. The first, if you need to build your own Docker, you need to the build you need to build the you need to create the Docker file. I think if you going to the Docker Hub, I will show my repository first. Okay, it is all my repository. I will accept from the TensorFlow Jupyter GPU. Okay. Now I already built the TensorFlow Jupyter GPU. Okay, you can use my repository to pull my Docker image to run and export to my Docker file, and you can edit, or you can build by yourself. Docker file, I think have the it's not hard to build the Docker file, and after you already already built to already build Docker file, you can build the Docker container after. And if you already success to build the Docker container, you can push to Docker Hub or run on your local or run on your Power Platform like GCP. Yeah, and I warning the after you are success to run the machine learning model or the deep learning model, you need to stop the VM instance because it charge your money every time. But if you stop it stop to charge your money. Okay. And I will show some example. You can this is the instance that I already built. It's a VM that use the TensorFlow version. Yeah, I will start. Yeah, start now. Okay. Show the some example. Okay. So you can create instance by yourself because if it's new from GCP, you can get free credit. I think $300 can export a lot of the service. You can check the GPU and choose GPU that you want to run the machine learning model. Yeah. For my VM, I choose NVIDIA T4. Okay, it's already start. You can keep the SSH to connect to your VM. Okay, then click the authorize. Okay, now we inside to the terminal, Linux terminal. We can see the Docker images that we already download to the VM. Yeah, that's already have the TensorFlow Jupyter GPU that I already download, already full to my Docker Hub. Yes. If you don't, if you don't, if you don't have the don't already have to the TensorFlow Docker images, you can pull to the you can pull directly on Docker Hub. I will show you example. Oh, already. Uh, on this, or previously I did already pull. So I think you to log in. Give me a second. You can find the official TensorFlow also. Images. You can to pull the official. Okay, if you will wait to the success pulling. This is the official Docker image from the TensorFlow, and you can export another Docker images that you want. TensorFlow any version that already had in the Docker Hub. Version 2 or version 1 already have. I think take around a minute for the download. Okay. And I will show show how to the config the firewall, because if you need to run your Docker to run Jupyter, to open the Jupyter Notebook, you need to config the firewall first. I will show. Okay. This. Firewall. Oh, this one. Check the network interface. Click to on the VPC firewall. Now port 8 is my firewall rule that I create to for the Jupyter Notebook. Yeah, I will show how to create port 8. So first, you click on the firewall. create the file volume, and you can edit the names, and you can make or extend in the network to allow the to apply the file volume. This file volume. Okay, I think I will have the or extend in the network. Okay, if you want to go to the public, okay, you need to define the zero. Now I will to open the font. Okay, then create it. That's all for the config the file volume. Okay. This one, if you success to the config the file volume, is show on the VPC file volume. Okay, I think it's already complete to pull the TensorFlow GPU, right? Okay, now I will show. So you can double like this one. Give me a second for the copy the command. To the crossfit. And if it's success, run the Docker is will show you the code. The random code is the Docker ID. You can check the Docker you still running or not by the Docker base commit. Okay, if it show something like that, it means your Docker is already running. Next, you go back to the VM instance and go to the external IP, copy, and go into file. Okay, now we will go to the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, you can for value to like you can this Jupyter Notebook. I think I already like something. Oh, okay. This one not this. Okay, now I want to check the GPU. The Jupyter Notebook already have GPU or not by this code this cell, right? Okay, it's already have the GPU. You can NVIDIA SMI for check the how many RAM on the of the GPU that you use. Now I already use only the 200 megabyte. I think that's all for the setup. Set up the Docker for run the Jupyter Notebook GPU available. Okay, and if you already success your project, your machine learning project or the TensorFlow project, you need to stop the VM. Click this, and it will stop. Take a second, and it stop later. Okay. Okay. Any question? Any question?
Can we get this recorded class?
It's have record. Okay, Daniel.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you guys
Hello.
hear me?
Yes. Yes, we can hear
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Okay. So sorry, I came late. So the server you're logging into, is it like from Docker or from Azure or from where?
Yeah, it's from GCP, Google Cloud Platform.
Oh, Google Cloud
Google Cloud.
GCP.
Yeah, GCP.
Okay. Okay.
And you can run Docker on Azure also. But my demo is run on the Google Cloud Platform. Okay. Any question?
Okay. I have another question.
So there are like 3 GPUs that we can use to play around, right?
Yeah, your GPU already appear. You can run your project, apply GPU. Okay.
Oh wow, this is nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
Because Google Colab is free, but if you run the big project, it can be terminated. But if you run on the Jupyter Notebook from Google Cloud Platform, is not terminated. You can run. You can train your image, or training your the text classification, image classification, object detection, and keep it training over 8 hours or 24 hours. Is you can ensure that it's still running. Not, but Google Colab is it can be terminated.
So it doesn't have like it has limitation. That is like it cuts in few minutes, right?
Yeah, but if you are the new form GCP is give you free the 300 US dollar for 3 months. You
But let me
can
see if I can get full account.
you can explore or the run your project. for 3 months. I think it's okay for testing.
This is a lot of money for us in Nigeria. This is like close to 400,000 naira. This can buy land or maybe feed you for like the next 4 months.
Hello, please.
Okay. Hello.
So I have another question. So okay, seeing that the price for this thing is high now, is there a way, like for example, let's say can I use this Docker for like this TensorFlow GPU Docker on a CPU and it would behave like as if it's a GPU?
You mean
Is it
you
possible
want to
can I
use?
be on a CPU server and it will behave like a GPU? You know what I mean? Like maybe installing Docker and installing CUDA on the Docker and all those things, and it just acts as if it is a GPU. Is it possible?
Yes. You mean you want to use CPU, right, or GPU?
Yeah. I want
For the
to install it on a CPU server. All right, but I want to
board.
use the TensorFlow Docker as a GPU. Like Docker is like a machine on its own. So is it
Yeah.
possible that I can run it as a GPU? Like I install CUDA in Docker, but what the server I'm running it on is 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 a CPU server. Is that possible?
Yeah. You can run the CPU for the same cost. For you can go on the Docker Hub. You can choose the TensorFlow version on the GPU. You can for the for CPU. Yeah. Okay. You can choose the Docker images to full and you can have the separate the Docker. The first one is GPU. The third one is CPU. Something like that.
What I'm asking is, like for example now, let's say I have, for example, I like using a free GPU, a free server which is called Render. So Render is a free server, all right, but it is a CPU PC, and now I have TensorFlow Docker container. Docker by itself is like a computer that is installed. So you pick Docker and install it on your server, which is more like a computer in a computer.
Oh, okay.
So my question now is like, is it possible that I can use a GPU version of TensorFlow Docker and run it on a CPU server? When I use it like that, I can install CUDA on the
Okay.
Docker and
Okay.
pretend as if is that possible?
I think if your VM is have GPU or already have a CUDA, you can use the TensorFlow GPU. But if the VM only have the CPU, if you install the TensorFlow GPU, is the switch to run on the CPU automatically. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Another question? Okay. If not another question, I think that's all for today.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Victor.
Everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
We will try as to make the recorded session available, and we have really learned a lot in today's session, and we have answered and had time to attend to our questions personally. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. And, thank you, Natdhanai. So we look forward to having you other of our events. So we out to you if you have any questions. So you send link to your slides and some other resources too.
Okay, I will share you on the LinkedIn. It's okay.
Okay.
I will
So
send you.
okay. Greetings to everybody in Thailand. Thank you very much. So today is this is our last session, and today is the final session. So I want everybody to open the screen camera so we can take a live photograph. So open your screen camera. So I want us to take a live photograph before we close. Is that possible? Wow, this is interesting. Okay. That costumes, Pina Banca.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
Yeah. So thank you everybody. Thank you. We have come
Thanks.
to the end of our program. Okay, so bye everyone. Daniel, you call and send the recording. All right, bye.